Aloha food lovers, today we're diving into the delicious world of Malasadas. These Portuguese-inspired fried dough treats are a Hawaiian staple, known for their crispy exterior and incredibly fluffy inside. First, let's get our dough started. You'll need warm milk, active dry yeast, a touch of sugar, and a little flour. Mix these together, then add eggs, melted butter, and more flour until you have a soft, slightly sticky dough. Knead it until smooth and elastic, then let it rise in a warm place until doubled in size. This is where the magic happens, creating that airy texture we all love. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and roll it out. Cut out your malasadas into squares or circles. Let them rest for a few minutes before frying. Heat your oil to the perfect temperature, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry them a few at a time until golden brown and puffed up on both sides. Don't overcrowd the pan. As soon as they come out of the hot oil, drain them briefly on a paper towel. Then, while still warm, toss them generously in granulated sugar. You can also try cinnamon sugar for an extra kick. And there you have it, fresh warm malasadas ready to be devoured. They are surprisingly simple to make and absolutely irresistible. Give this recipe a try and bring a taste of Hawaii to your kitchen.